Indian Railway launched an automated AI camera stain detection pilot project on July 24, 2026 in mechanized laundries located in the Pune Central Railway, Jaipur and Jodhpur Northwestern Railway Division to inspect washed train linen. Passengers receiving bedsheets or pillow covers on trains can now expect better cleanliness. If there is any stain on the fabric after washing, artificial intelligence AI will automatically detect it. Indian Railways has started trials of an AI-based stain detection system in its mechanized laundries located in Pune, Jaipur and Jodhpur. All railway laundries are already equipped with the whiteness meters to check the cleanliness of linen and CCTV cameras for monitoring. This AI system is expected to improve the quality and hygiene of bed linen supplied to passengers on train. It includes high resolution vision, high speed, high resolution cameras capture clear digital images of the fabric surface as it moves. Machine learning analysis, advanced computer vision, and machine learning algorithms scan the images to spot tiny stains, mark, or fabric damages that human eyes might miss. Automatic flagging, the software calculates stain percentage and flag unserviceable or dirty items for rewashing or disposal. थोडक्यात सांगायचं झालं तर आता ट्रेनमध्ये मिळणारी चादर किंवा उशीच्या कवरवर धुताना डाग राहिल्यास AI लगेच ते ओळखेल. रेल्वेने पुणे, जयपूर, जोधपूर विभागाच्या यांत्रिक लॉन्ड्रीमध्ये AI आधारित डाग ओळख प्रणालीची चाचणी म्हणजेच पायलट प्रोजेक्ट सुरू केला आहे. सर्व लॉन्ड्र्यामध्ये कपड्यांची स्वच्छता राखण्यासाठी व्हायटोमीटर, देखरेखीसाठी CCTV आहेत.